started it since I put the muffler on, so the muffler needs a little more support, but much quieter. It's still loud as hell, that knocking, man, and it's idling right now. Go ahead and turn it off. So, yeah, it rocks pretty good on there, man. I think I need to. No, that's just the way it is. I could run it in there. I drilled extra holes in that to run it in closer to the car. That's about as good as it'll get, though. Yeah, there's fuel on the bottom because I made sure there wasn't no water in it before I started it, so I drained what was on the bottom. It's just got that little stupid filter on it. I figured if there was water, it would be at the bottom, so I drained a little bit. But yeah, I hadn't started in a while. I'm gonna switch to this as soon as I get done with the 10 horse, or most of the way, at least like 99% done, 95. Then I'll switch back to this, and we'll get this going. Because I've got the I've got the motor. Get it right here. The second one. So I got it. That's aluminum. I got to get that crap off because I don't use aluminum. And yes, I'm sure that's aluminum. It's that brown wire. I can't find any 8-inch. Sorry if there's wind. I can't find any 8-inch that are copper wound. And I don't think Tim has either. Found any that are copper wound. So, but yeah, what I do is I just cut them off. Try to do it with one hand. I just cut the wire off, and I'll rewind it with 19 gauge. You can do 18, 19, 20 gauge copper. I think it's 60 turns is what I get in these. You can use an ink pen. Take the cartridge out, use that to thread the copper through so it doesn't blister your fingers. Ask me how I know that. That was Tim's trick, by the way. And this, we're just going to clean this off, take this off. And I have a go-kart hub that it might even go perfectly in those 3 holes. So I'll try to do that. I'll try to line those up with these holes. I'll take this core out and then put my hub in there and then slide it on the other side of that box. So, and that's kind of how that goes. All right. And you can get these on eBay. It doesn't really matter the brand. They're all about the same. And you can see it's not even that pretty, man. That was one of my first ones I rewound entirely. Where I kept it stock and did the whole motor. But so I'll have 2 of those rewound. Should give us full power. We should get 1500 watts, no problem. 750 each out of those should not be a problem. We technically could push harder than that, but I'm being conservative. This is a 2.2 kilowatt on the diesel, 3 horse. If it really, I don't think it is. I'm looking at it like 2 kilowatt realistic, and I'm lucky. I mean, well, not even that. By the time you actually convert it, I could probably get 1.8 out of this motor, 1.75, 1.8, but 1.5 kilowatt, 1500 watts. That's quite a bit for this little package. It's not going to weigh. I don't even know if it'll weigh 100 pounds. It may be lighter than that, and it's going to be on the back of a car or a truck. So, yeah. Anyway, won't make this too long. This will be coming soon, coming next. It's going to be changed, though. We're going to gear down, and we're going to move some stuff around. All right? Peace.